Okay, so we're gonna do our fridge. We're gonna clean it out, and it should be pretty easy because we've been keeping it pretty clean. So here we go.
I like your beanie.
Thanks. Got some milk. That's still good. All right. Orange juice. On Tomas, which is Isa's favorite sauce ever.
For chicken.
For chicken and anything. Strawberry. Okay, this is some lettuce I shredded.
Oh, give it to me.
And it looks bad. So I just shredded the whole head because I didn't know how.
Oh, give that to me.
This is gonna be bad.
Yeah, give me.
I was gonna eat all of it.
It's okay. It was a lot, and I get to go to my.
This are condiments, which I try to keep in the
I know.
side.
But we have so much.
Easier that way. Well, here, give her this apple juice.
Oh yeah.
It's almost gone. Oh, I'll drink it.
Okay.
Set.
I mean, honey, it's not.
I do that a lot when I'm cleaning out the fridge. If there's only a little bit of juice or a little bit of something left, I just drink it or eat it. So it doesn't go to waste,
Yeah.
and I don't have any space in it. Coffee creamers, we just bought that. I don't know how old this milk is. February 12th.
Oh, it's still fine.
But
Right?
we opened another one.
That's okay. Is that okay?
It looks weird.
Oh, give it to me. Are you serious?
I don't know, it's got some floaty stuff on it.
Okay.
Just get rid of it, we got enough milk.
Wait, right
Sometimes we
there.
don't go through a whole gallon of milk.
I know, that's why we only get
Huh?
no, down there.
Oh, carrots. We just bought these not too long ago, so they should be okay.
Yep.
Celery, which we just bought not too long ago. Shredded carrot.
Okay, I was going, I'm gonna make this thing. It's a hair mask.
And baby carrots.
That one, why is it so watery?
I don't know. Just throw it away.
It like...
That's weird. I don't like liquid hanging out of my vegetables. Tomatoes.
Should still be
Still
good.
fine. Okay. Cheese, meat. Oh. This tortillas, a weird piece of cheese.
Okay.
Another piece of cheese. And some more cheese. And some Taco Bell sauce. So this is supposed to be our meat and cheese compartment. So we'll get the cheese back in there. And put the meat in there. And the tortillas, yeah, there's like one left, but we'll put it in there. And then there's looks like it's hot dogs.
Hot dog.
Which are still good. Spot those. We'll put that in the meat container too. This is not good.
Okay.
That's a leftover. Butter. It's fine.
Give me that
Spanish rice. Oh, cheese. Goes in the cheese compartment.
one. Why is your face?
Because people like to put things in the wrong compartment.
Seriously?
The wrong shelf.
Seriously?
What's this?
Careful!
Oh, it's diced tomatoes. I diced some tomatoes for our tacos. But it's
That one
probably
is?
bad.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a taco meat.
Oh, wow.
There's not much left though. Apparently, if you buy natural 100% crunchy peanut butter, you have to refrigerate it. Who knew? I didn't. Tiny piece of cheese. Go to the cheese compartment. What is this? Get rid of this. Okay. Alright, got eggs, which...
Oh my gosh.
They're
Be
so
careful.
good, right?
Yes.
Ah! Wait, 222, they're still good.
Now,
And I got my sauerkraut, my kimchi, and my pickled mangoes that I made, and they're good forever because they're pickled. Well,
Yes.
it's supposed to be a year.
I think it's a year.
This, I really don't want this.
I don't understand why
Okay.
it's still in the fridge.
Margarine. is bad for you. They made it to do what? Lubricate babies or something. I don't know.
What do you mean? No, they what was it?
Well, anyway, most of it is liquid and partially hydrogenated soybean oil. So that sounds yummy. Anyway, we don't eat margarine anymore.
Yeah, that's why we have so much
It's
butter.
not real butter because it's better for you.
I forgot now. We need to look it up.
Anyway, we saw this article where they said something about some scientists invented it for another purpose, but then figured out you can spread it on butter and it tastes like butter. Or you can spread it on bread or something. It tastes like butter and it has the same properties as butter, so they just marketed it as that. Kind of like how silly putty was supposed to be an explosive,
Oh my
but
gosh.
turned into a
little toy.
play. Yeah. Oh, sour cream. These are still good.
Yep.
I always have to keep a lot of sour cream in the fridge.
Why did you make
For
that
certain
look?
people. Cream cheese. This is 430. These cream cheeses and this butter. So
Give
good.
me that red thing of jar.
This is pimentos. These are so good.
Because I don't think you guys will eat it.
I bought it for Isa because she would only eat I'd buy the olives with the red things in them, and then she would break the olives open and she would only eat the red things. And she
But
just
now
loved them
she-
so much. And so I'm like, oh hey, there's a jar of only the red things, so I buy it, and she eats like one. She's like, I'm done.
That's it.
The butter. I'm just gonna put it all right here because we don't have enough
Okay.
space for otherwise. Tartar sauce.
What's with your face?
I have to buy every time I go to the store. I'm like, I buy tartar sauce, and Sharon's like, "Oh, we have tartar sauce. Why are you buying?" If she runs out of tartar sauce, she turns into a monster.
Shut-
She turns into a monster.
Shut it!
So
That's
I
not
have to
true.
make sure there's plenty of tartar sauce in the fridge.
Stop lying.
Is tartar sauce your favorite sauce?
Yes, it's the best sauce in the world.
This is my katsu sauces.
Don't
need it.
Let's get rid of that one. That's just
This is pizza.
yeah, pizza sauce, but I'm gonna make a different one because. Well, do you think it's still okay?
I don't know.
You know,
I don't know how long it
it's
keeps.
been 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah. Or I don't remember the last time I made it.
It smells good.
Exactly. It's tomatoes, so I'll just make a new one.
I'm scared.
I know, right? You don't want to risk it.
Can we get botulism?
I do not want that.
I don't want that either. Oh, I'm almost done here. Here's some egg sardine.
Oh
I didn't know that was there.
God.
What's this? What's this? Is this mango?
No, it's the jackfruit.
Jackfruit. It froze on the top shelf. I told you it freezes on the top shelf.
Aww.
It's probably fine because it froze.
Okay, just leave it there then. Are you gonna eat it? Okay, you just touched it.
Jackfruit. Have you guys had jackfruit?
Are you seriously gonna eat it after you've been cleaning the fridge?
That's just the middle part I didn't touch. I'm sure it's still good.
So weird.
So good. It's so good.
Okay, leave it in there.
Anyway, jackfruit is like this tropical fruit. And you find it at the Asian store. It's really yummy. It tastes like
What does it taste like, baby?
pineapples and peaches,
Yeah,
right?
peaches. Yeah.
It's like if you mix a peach and pineapple together, it's what jackfruit tastes like. Okay,
All done?
done.
Wait,
I have to put the stuff back jelly for my PB&J sandwiches.
I don't like it over there.
Well, this doesn't that's it. Never mind. Mayo, gotta have mayo.
Yeah, otherwise you'll freak out.
Because Issa puts like a pound of mayo on her sandwiches, so that's why I buy it on clearance for $1.49. Yeah, $1.49. What a deal. Just because they changed the packaging.
Oh no, I want the original packaging. Or wait, no, I want the new package look.
Yeah, it wasn't even good. Look, this is still good till June.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mang Tomas.
Are you gonna do the door? Or no?
The door, it does not have
probably-
anything bad in it.
We could probably condense it.
No.
No?
No, it's fine. The door's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.